Ready to visit a moon where the ground explodes non-stop? Let's check out Io, Jupiter's volcanic powerhouse. Io is the closest big moon to Jupiter. It has over 400 active volcanoes. That's more than anywhere else we know. Volcanoes here aren't tiny, they shoot lava hundreds of miles into space. Some eruptions reach higher than the distance from New York to Washington, D.C. Io's landscape is always changing. But why is Io so wild? It's not plate tectonics like Earth. Jupiter's gravity and tugging from two other moons stretch and squeeze Io non-stop. This heats up the inside melting rock and making it explode. Would you dare visit a moon made of fire and sulfur?